Hi everyone, welcome to Generative AI Project Series, your gateway to building powerful applications from scratch using large language models. Hi, I'm Sri Laxmi and I'm here to guide you on an extraordinary journey into the world of generative AI. Are you curious about potential of LLMs but unsure where to begin? So if you're in a new field or an experienced enthusiast looking to expand your knowledge or build a portfolio of projects using LLMs, this series is crafted just for you. So, who should be joining? My primary focus is for beginners eager to explore the AI landscape, but I can warmly welcome all learners at all levels. So, what can you expect? So, each episode is packed with valuable insights. I'll provide you the LLM frameworks, including the entire code for the entire application and also deployment strategies. I'll guide you through the entire process of creating an LLM based application starting from basics. I'll also provide you access to my GitHub repository filled with code from the series for you to explore and tweak. And I'm going to also provide a detailed blog which break down each coding step, demystifying the mechanics and the code behind the tasks at hand. So here the sneak peek of the generative AI projects will be, which will go through this series. This is just a sneak peek. I have a whole lot of projects coming. So stay excited. Stay tuned for this educational journey in the world of generative AI. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for updates on new projects. And I'm here to guide you all the way along. So for today, we are going to dive into the world of AI chatbots. For today's tutorial, we don't have to dive into writing code or building anything from scratch. We will be using a free tool called Botsonic, where you can build custom chatbots with no coding but just writing few prompts. For today's project, we'll be creating an AI clone of yourself. Let's explore how to create a custom AI chatbot using Botsonic with no code chatbot builder. So we have known that chatbots have revolutionized customer support, engagement, and efficiency. So with Botsonic, you could also create personalized chatbot tailored to your needs, simpler than ever. So, for example, how could this be useful? If you're an influencer on social media, your followers can talk to you and have a chat with you. Your friends can talk to you when you're not available or offline, or in your recruiters, hiring managers could use this to conduct first round of interviews rather than traditionally using resume to screen you. They could use your bot to understand more about you. So all you have to do is head over to writesonic.com, and if you don't have an account, sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, search for Botsonic, which is by Writesonic, and this is where you end up. I've already logged in. This is the dashboard of Botsonic. So let's dive into creating a GPT bot. So I'll give you a bit overview how this works. This is where you write prompts and train your bot on. This is the preview section. Once you train your bot, upload all the documents, how it looks. And this is the source section. Your chatbot needs to learn about you, right? In the source section, you can upload your files or links. For this project purpose, we'll be uploading your resume, your experiences, and also personal information about you. So remember, you can upload documents, refer to websites, or even add your sitemaps. You can use different formats like PDF, doc, docx, or text, as mentioned over here. And then in the settings, you can see how you can customize your bot. You can have your bot name, and also if you're building a bot for a company, you can have a company name, a bit of description, and also you can have a welcome message and a placeholder. And this is where you do support your bot settings. You can have how much analytics you want to track, and you can have few starter questions. And then once you have finished with all of the settings, you can have multiple integrations. For example, you can integrate your bot into your calendar for appointment scheduling. So this is how everything, this is the inbox section. If any of the conversation you've recorded can be visible here, and this is the analytics sections, how many users have interacted with your bot, total conversion, and also bots with highest engagement. So let's start by creating. So you can start with a prompt saying, I would like to create an AI clone of myself. The bot should be able to answer questions. Processing. Replace. You can also replace the name. Replace the name personal AI clone with Sri Laxmi. Yes, the name has been updated, and the bot is asking, would you prefer to upload it? Would you like to generate a logo? Yes, we would generate a logo. You could also view the bot instructions on how would you want your logo to be, but I'm just keeping it simple over here. It's generating the profile picture by itself. Yes, this logo fits. So should it offer in-depth explanations when required, or keep them brief? So basically, it's asking, consider it's an AI clone designed to mimic your personality. Answer the questions about you. You can mention how detailed you want the bot to be. Should it offer in-depth explanation or keep them brief to the point? I'm saying that offer in-depth explanations when required, or just keep them brief if not. That has been updated. Sri Laxmi will now offer in-depth explanation when required. Simple co-ensuring balance between comprehensive and efficiency. How would you like to interact with you? Should it have a formal tone, or more casual or friendly? I would like to keep it casual and friendly. Now you can also train it with your data. So this is where I'll be uploading a lot of details. For example, this is the personal information where I have lots of information about my interest, my strength, my weaknesses, my hobbies, and also the kind of food I like, and also the places I've traveled. A lot of information filled with my interests and things I do. And I also have my resume, my experience in different companies, the projects I've worked on. And I'm going to upload all the documents. You can upload your LinkedIn profile. You could upload your blog content. You could upload your YouTube videos. You could do a lot of stuff. Once you upload documents. You can upload and train the documents. So everything is done automatically. All the documents are trained with your information. So for example, so there's a question for us. The solution will now communicating, making interaction more engaging. Is there any specific you would like to add to, for example, should we put, I would say focus solely on answering some this. Just copy paste this. Blend in. So this is saying that Sri Laxmi is all set to focus solely on answering questions about you, offering a blend in-depth insights and brief explanation when necessary, maintaining a casual and a friendly tone. You can add more refinements if you need assistance. Enjoy your student. Have a great conversation. So now let's start over. Let's head over to preview section and I'll start asking the bot questions. For example, I can ask, what are your strengths? So these are the strengths basically I've included in my personal information. And I've also talked about what are your weaknesses. So this is about my weaknesses. And you could also ask about experience. For example, work experience, right? What is your role at Kazoo? For example, this is one of the company I worked for. So it clearly explains what I've done at Kazoo because I've uploaded a lot of information what I've done. For example, I served as a product manager. My primary responsibility was to create and launch a checkout for Kazoo subscription product. And it also gave brief description of my responsibilities. And it actually asks particular questions. For example, I was working for Kazoo subscriptions, launching in different countries. It's asking which countries did you expand Kazoo subscription product to. Let's say if it answers, these are the countries I worked on, and for Kazoo subscriptions. So it can go much deeper. It can also say industry can expand the subscription beyond Germany, which are the countries besides this country. So you can go much deeper. It's always good to have more information than less. So try to have a lot of information in the source section. You see, you can upload lots of documents. You can upload your LinkedIn post. You can upload your YouTube videos and lots of things. Maybe you can ask, what is your favorite food? Let's try this. Yeah, my favorite food is pizza. Now, this is what I mentioned in my personal information. For example, so that's how you can create your chatbot and interact with it. So you can keep on uploading more sources of information. You can come here and write quick starter questions and answers. And also, if you want, you can connect with different, integrations. Also, you can embed your bot if you have a personal portfolio website. And here you can check, what your users are talking about you, and also the analytics part. Um, Yes, thank you for watching. So this journey we have started today is just the beginning. In the coming weeks, we will dive deeper into the world of generative AI, building more applications and truly getting our hands dirty with the code. I have some exciting use cases to share that inspire you, challenge you, and most importantly, expand your skills in the world of generative AI. So if you're excited and to build GenAI applications, make sure to subscribe and follow us for updates.